Bitcoin and Ethereum Analysis September 8, 2022. Arm wrestling. Did you know that there are arm wrestling championships? However, the participants are not referred to as arm wrestlers. In technical jargon, one speaks of so-called arm wrestlers. And of course they have some tricks up their sleeves. For example, with the hook strategy, the wrist is folded in its own direction to get the opponent's hand further away from his body, which ultimately means that his powers are no longer as effective. In the top roll, however, your own hand is brought into an elevated position by briefly relaxing the grip, and you then press on the opponent's arm from above, so to speak. We don't know whether the bulls and bears are capable of these strategies, but what we do know is that the two recently fought an equally intense and exciting duel. After the bears had the upper hand on Tuesday and pushed the Bitcoin price below the important $18,918 mark, it was the bulls who set the tone again in the past few hours of trading. Here, our horned companeros maneuvered the price up again at the top by around 5%. By falling below the mentioned support, the Bitcoin had invalidated our primary count. Accordingly, we are now primarily assuming that the course should again take a detour via the orange target zone, coordinates $16,832 to $10,363 in order to complete the yellow wave number 2 there. As you can see on the daily chart, this zone largely aligns with our blue trading area, which ranges from $27,816 on the top to $10,988 on the bottom, and can be used by you to post long positions. Once the crypto leader has processed this final sell-off, we see it moving up massively in the chart again. In Ethereum too, bulls and bears are currently fighting for dominance in the chart, and here too, the bears have lost out over the past few hours of trading. The bulls have allowed the price to rise again at its peak since yesterday by around 11%. However, we still stick to our assessment that the price should return to the blue target zone, coordinates $1,456 to $1,013 to complete the counter movement there, in the form of the wave II of the same color. Going forward, our primary expectation is for the crypto to post determined gains again that should propel it back above the $2,029 resistance and into the upper blue target zone between $2,982 and $3,420. But be careful, our alternative in the south is still waiting with a high probability of 42% for its possible use. This envisages a sell-off below the previous low of $883, which, as the alternative chart shows you, would push the price into the likewise blue target zone between $906 and $666. The daily chart shows that our overall expectation has not changed. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.